Hello, welcome back. My name is Laura from Hippo and today we are at the factory. Today I want to show to you how is the testing process in the factory. Keep watching. This is Hippo factory, located in Tianjin, China. We are professional manufacturers for audio and video products, but this time we are producing wireless microphones. And I would like to show you how is the process of it. We produce more than 6,000 per day. We have 50 active workers and 2 specialized QC for quality control issues. If you pay attention, each area has an SOP in order to follow the step-by-step they have. In the factory, we have 4 production lines, and each line is focusing in one task. But this time, I would like to show you the testing machines we're using to qualify our product for you. This machine is for the aging test. For our products, we do 100% aging test. In the 2 machines you just saw, we are testing the plug and play and the sound quality for the wireless microphone. Also, we are testing if the inputs works correctly. With this machine, we can test the distortion, sensitivity, and frequency for the transmitters and receivers. Also, with this one, we can check the signal RF. If you want to know more about the production process and the newest process in China, you can follow us in our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. See you there. Bye-bye.